everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to drop in, check on everyone, see how everyone was doing. I know I haven't made a video in over a week. I've really been trying to get everything together for this continuously working at home situation. Now they say that we was supposed to be going back to work in July, but my supervisor told everyone that we probably won't be going to work soon, so I need a new chair because the one from the kitchen table is, yeah, it's not it. So I've been trying to look for one. I haven't decided if I wanted to get a new desk just yet. Also, I did go through and sell all of my sticker books from the Happy Planner, all except for two, which was flowers and the memory keeping one. Now, the money that I did get from the Happy Planner sales, I did go straight to Micheals. Since I needed some stickers, I went to Micheals and I found every last one of Capital Chic Design stickers, and I was able to get every sticker book that I wanted. So I will show those at the end of the video. But if you are new here, welcome. And if you are already subscribed, welcome back. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button if you are new, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you would be notified anytime I upload new content. So when it comes to the total income, it's $2,075.26. My rent was $362. I went ahead and took that money out, got the money order, and sent it off. For K's, I did pay K's for $21.94. I paid that the day that I got paid. And for State Farm, surprisingly, it allowed me to pay that $145.21 on the same day instead of tomorrow. For groceries, I budgeted for $125, but I haven't went anywhere just yet. For rideshare, I budgeted for $10. $10 did go to the correct account. For fun money, I did budget for $10 in cash, so it's in its right cash envelope. For fast food, I budgeted for $40. I did spend $39. I have $1 left. For gas, I budgeted for $15. I spent $10 and I have $5 left. For savings, I did budget for $210. That's the automatic amount that goes directly to savings every 2 weeks. But this time I was able to save $717. Since I gotten paid, I haven't really went anywhere other than paying the bills over the phone. I really haven't went anywhere to spend any money, and if I did have to spend money, it was from my cash envelope. For car maintenance, I went ahead and moved $40 to its right location. For health, $50 did get deposited to its right account. For Starbucks, I started budgeting for Starbucks every 2 weeks, which is $10 loaded onto my gift card, which I did, but I haven't spent any of that money just yet. For the salon, I did budget for $70, and I have that money in its cash envelope. For gifts, I had $20, which was deposited automatically for personal. Now, normally by now, that $20 for personal would have been gone, but I have not spent a dime just yet. Shocking, I know. If I was to stay at home, I would probably hardly ever spend money like now. So the total amount for the budget is $1,545.15. When it comes to the amount that's left over, that amount will either go to savings or to car maintenance. And we'll have to see what's left over on Tuesday. So let's go through and I can show you some of the stickers that I bought. So let me make this a little darker. So this is Family Together. Well, I don't know what this sticker book is named. I don't think her sticker books have a name. But here are some of the stickers. Now I'm only going through the ones that are opened. So I have this one. And I probably should have gotten 2 of these, but I didn't, but that's okay. Now this one is from Paper House Production. It's Indy and Ivy ink, which I haven't took it out the plastic just yet. Now these next few sticker books are, they still have the sticker on it. So I do have this one here. And these are for your monthly stickers. So I have these. And the last one is Wonder Wildly. And it looks like so yeah, I am definitely going to enjoy these stickers by Micheals. Also, this next sticker book is from Shalonda as well, and it goes with the other sticker book that I showed. And these are all from Gold Mine and Cocoa. I purchased these when they went on sale, but I haven't used them just yet. So that's it for the budget. I hope everyone has a great rest of your day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, follow me on Instagram. I will link all of that information below. And again, have a great day.